anyone who starts this business opportunity and join my team, um, you get extra perks and extra bonuses for free. The company, if you join another team, but with the same company, you will not get the extra bonuses. Our team is specifically like giving out a done for you business in a box. So you'll get free capture pages for advertisement, to advertise your business on social media, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. You'll get email follow ups, so that way you don't have to follow up with your leads. We would do it for you on the back end automatically, but you have to promote the company yourself, but on the back end we do all the following up and stuff like that. That comes with joining our team. You get an app. You also get the free app as well. You get a nice setup when you join our team, and it's amazing. No team on or in the company is doing that but us. So if you join us, you get situated, you get hooked up, you get tapped into the Facebook group. If you have any questions or concern, you don't know what to do next, you can contact me. If I don't know the answers, I can get the answers from my sponsor, and I can get back to you, and I can answer any questions that you may have. You have support. You can email support. They will follow up and answer any questions you may have as well. When you first join the company, you'll get a welcome phone call from corporate. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, it really is. Definitely one of the best business opportunities, online opportunities out here on the market, for real. All right, peace. Have a good night. Bye for now.